For studio quality audio, the right headphones are crucial. Closed-back headphones are ideal for live recording, preventing sound leakage into microphones. Open-back headphones, favored for mixing, offer a spacious and immersive experience. Many studio headphones feature coiled cables for studio mobility. Let's dive into some top picks. Our top closed-back choice is the Audio-Technica Atheec M50X. Known for its value and durability, it comes with 3 cable options, including a 10-foot coiled cable. The Beyerdynamic DT770 Pro is a strong alternative with a wider soundstage and brighter sound, though it can be fatiguing. For a budget-friendly option, the Sony MDR7506 delivers a balanced sound and decent leakage performance despite its cheaper build. And for an even tighter budget, the Audio-Technica AHM20X offers good sound at a lower price, though it lacks low bass and has a significant treble roll-off. If open back is your preference, the Sennheiser HD800S are premium, delivering a balanced sound and comfortable fit, though they require a powerful amp and come with a hefty price tag. The Hi-Fi-Man Aria Stealth Magnet version is another high-end option with more low-end thump but is bulkier. For a more affordable planar magnetic option, the Hi-Fi-Man Edition XS offers an immersive soundstage and balanced sound, though its build is less robust. The Audeze MM11, another planar magnetic headphone, offers a less fatiguing sound profile due to its recessed treble. The Beyerdynamic DT990 Pro, a mid-range open back, delivers more high bass and a bright sound, but its cable isn't detachable. The Beyerdynamic DT900 Pro X is a similar alternative with a detachable cable, but a less boomy sound and underemphasized treble. For budget-conscious users, the Philips SHC9500 offers a balanced sound and immersive soundstage, though it lacks low bass and leaks audio. It's ideal for mixing in quiet environment. In summary, for closed-back needs, consider the Audio-Technica AHM50X or Sony MDR7506. For open-back mixing, the Sennheiser HD800S, Hi-Fi-Man Edition XS, or Philips SHP9500 are excellent choices, depending on your budget and sound preferences. Each option offers unique benefits, so choose based on your studio needs and workflow. Remember, closed back for recording, open back for mixing. Find the perfect headphones to elevate your studio production. Choose wisely and happy recording.